Any wastewater generated in the home except for your toilets and your kitchen sink is considered gray water. Now, one of your easiest ways to access that is, remember that time between you turn on the shower and you're waiting for it to get warm? We know that time is greatly reduced at the moment, but if you took a 5-gallon bucket and you stick it in that shower while you're waiting for it to get warm, and you let that bucket fill up with that water, that is water you can easily use out in your garden to help that out. Now, another cool thing, there's other ways you can tap into your AC condensate line. Now, as it gets more humid, that condensate line actually starts pumping out water quite a bit. And it'll drip down usually into soil somewhere in your yard. And it's either going to grow weeds for you or it's going to grow something you intentionally plant. That's one of my favorite places to grow watermelon. And so it's a cool water source. So it also comes out cooler than any other water. It's even usually cooler than your tap water coming off that condensate line. So look around your house, see where you find where that water's dripping out, AC's on. And that is a good water source, a very consistent water source through the entire summer to water things that you might enjoy.